Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Another episode, another day. Just dropped my second eldest daughter home from school. So on Wednesdays, I drop the eldest, bring the second eldest home, and I'm off. We're doing another unboxing, yet again, another unboxing. Another bloody reel, another BFS reel. It's a Seasir brand. It's the first one I've bought. I think, yeah, first one, yep. This one is from AliExpress. AliExpress, I think it was. I'll double check and I'll put it up there. I'm fairly certain it was AliExpress with the Enatono Silver Rhino and two others. I'm yet to open. Well, I've opened the boxes and played with them, but that I've yet to do a video on. So this one's the Seasir Cast X. It's a very underrated reel. A lot of channels have done the unboxing, reviewed them, run them, still highly rate them. Apparently they will cast 2 grams, 2 gram and up. I will show you the box and open it up in a minute. Just I need to get to somewhere where I can pull over and do it. I'm actually on my way to test and tune that reel. I'm going to go to the redfin hole or find a new, see if I can find the lakes that run, that's in that system. See if I can find some more redfin. Maybe if I go to the bridge and cast a completely different lure altogether, there might still be some there, but I might just go there because it's fairly bloody windy. I reckon it's be edging 100 km/h winds, which is just shy of a cyclone or hurricane or typhoon, depending on where in the world you are and what you guys call it. There's cyclones here. That's the downfall of living where I live. If I went north to a freshwater river that has natives in it, I bet you it'd be sunny and no wind up there. It's because I'm close to the city and close to the ocean. Well, not really the ocean. Well, actually, I am pretty close to the ocean, but we have Port Phillip Bay between Melbourne City and the ocean. I've only got to go an hour and 10 minutes that way, and the ocean's there. So, yeah, 2 gram and up. This reel is capable of. It's the Seasir Cast X. I've got it in left-hand wind. I've already spooled it up with the Seasir X4G Soul 0.6 or a 0.06 or 0.08, whatever it is. It's what's on all the other reels that I've done so far. 8-pound braid. It varies in diameter, but I'm pretty sure the Seasir one I've got is 0.6 line. So I've already spooled it up. It's smooth as butter. on the retrieve, has a drag clicker, 5-star drag, 5-point drag star, and I don't think the tension knob has a clicker for the spool. It's silver, pretty much looks like the Anatono Silverino. Here's the box. Seasir Cast X. Product parameters. It's shallow spool, 0.8, 160 meters. It'll hold 1 mil braid, 130 meters, and 1.2, 100 meters. Does come, it comes with shallow and deep spool. Comes with 2 spools. Carbon fibre construction. Double grips, which just means that you double handle. I'll pull over right here, just before a bus stop. Standard spool will hold 140 meters at 2.5 mil line. So in reality, you can chase Murray cod, or your big fish with it, basically. And it's one of those boxes that folds in and goes over the handles. She's already pre-spooled, and I think I've put probably way too much line on it. It's not, I'm not past the taper. So here's your deep spool. It is a long shaft, not a short shaft reel. 140 meters at 2.5, 3 mil, it'll go 120, and 3.5, 100 meters on that one. It's a long shaft reel. Has exploded diagram and a book. Comes with a book, owner's manual, instruction manual. Seasir, enjoy fishing. Tension knob, magnetic brake, all that sort of jazz. The side plate, so your brake cover pops out and swings down out of the way. You can't, from what I've seen, completely remove it from the body of the reel. The Cast X, there is an actual rod. They do have the rod that the reel goes to. Sadly, I don't have a Seasir reel yet. It's on the cards. Once I work out the perfect combination, which I think will be, oh look, after sales you could put where you bought it, my username, order number, name, phone, purchasing date, trade name. Is that that might be to post it back maybe, but you get the returns through the platform you bought it from if you're not happy with it. Exploded diagram. It's actually in English, is it? Yep. So we are all in English. All the parts are there and labelled and what they are. Let's have a look at the reel. It's fairly light. I don't know what weight it is. This was, oh yes I do, here we go. 7.3 to 1 gear ratio, 6+1 bearings, and that's all the information I've got. Seasir Cast X, designed and engineered by Seasir. High gear ratio, 7.3 to 1. We have nothing in the knobs. It's got the see-through knobs. Pretty sure they have a bearing. Actually, they might be bushed. Can't remember. Tension knob does click. I'm pretty sure I've already sorted that out. Smooth as on the retrieve. Your brake settings are down here on a clicker underneath, so they're on 0 at the moment because I think that's probably where I'll be starting. Fairly strong braked. Spring loaded, and it swings out of the way enough for you to get the spool out. Push it back down, lock it. Actually, I'll open that back up and have a look. I think I counted, there's nine magnets, mag tracks. Fairly strong. Before I spooled it, I pushed down the thumb bar. It's got a little bit of grip on there too, so that's nice. There's no movement in the thumb bar at all. I free spooled it, spun it with my finger, and it didn't spin very long on 0. Seasir Cast X, $34 Australian. I paid for that. I think normal price is around 70. Around 70. It's around a $70 reel. Angled Dragstar points like the Silver Rhino. Silver Riding. Seasir, enjoy fishing, right there. This would be a 100 size reel, maybe a 150. It's hard to tell. So let's go. I don't know what the spool weighs, can't remember from other users. Oh, Dragstar, drag clicker. It's not very loud, but it's loud enough. 5 kilos of drag, maybe a little bit more, I forget now. I'm kind of in a rush to get to find these 3 or 4 lakes that join the creek, the redfin spot. I'm kind of in a rush to get to there, so excuse my arrogance. We'll just call it arrogance. I'm not sure what they call it, but Seasir Cast X, capable of casting 2 gram comfortably, apparently. So we'll try that out. I'm not comfortable casting 2 gram lures at the moment. Can't be bothered with all the bloody backlashes. So maybe we'll start off with something, I don't know, but yeah, here's the Seasir Cast X dual spool model. Well, it comes with the, dual spool. Stick the price up there. Pretty sure it was $34 Australian. I'm not sure if it was Temu or bloody AliExpress. Pretty sure you can tell by the label. I know it come from China, that's about all I know. I'll stick where I got it from in the price up there, but Seasir Cast X, first of 2 I've got to unbox and show and test out. I'll give you a hint, the second one is a pro model. Thanks for watching. See you later.